Who doesn't love potatoes? Well, why don't we take a look at a little Venn diagram to find out. There are the people of Earth and the people who don't love potatoes. I notice there's no intersection there. Hello, everybody. After my silly pun last week about YouTubers and potatoes, I thought, you know what? Potatoes are a thing I appreciate very much. They'll be the next video, and here we are. Before we get into it, FYI, I've placed relevant links in the description below. Now, why are potatoes so awesome and worthy of praise? Well, number one, delicious. Number two, they taste great when hot, lukewarm, or cold. Did you ever think about that? That's cool, isn't it? Number three, they are inexpensive. Number four, there are approximately 1 million ways, I counted all of them, to prepare them, such as... wait, that's the wrong... That's for shrimp. Got your baked potato, your au gratin potato, your hash browns, your mashed potatoes, potato salad, roasted potatoes, scalloped potatoes. Oh my gosh. Those are my favorite. And of course your french fries or your pommes frites or your chips, as in fish and chips. Number five, most methods of preparing them are easy. And number six, in a pinch, they can be thrown at an intruder's head. Now please don't confiscate our potatoes. Some reasons a few of my friends love them are: they're totally forgiving of a forgetful cook. Don't I know it? And they are comforting like a hug in your stomach. Friends, I totally agree. Potatoes, in my opinion, have been much and wrongly maligned. Probably because people think that all carbs are bad, but my perspective is that potatoes, especially when gotten from the produce section in whole, unprocessed form, are very, very good for us. They're rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, which is good for your heart and mental health, and rich in potassium, among other nutrients. A potato, in fact, has more vitamin C than an orange, more potassium than a banana, and more fiber than an apple. Can you believe it? Hey, how about a quick video on how to make perfect baked potatoes almost effortlessly? And by the way, this is an adaptation of a method that I found on a YouTuber's channel. Her channel is called Pressure Crisp, and she's linked below. At least the video I watched was really good, so check her out. But anyway, here we go. As with any cooking endeavor, you first want to set up your equipment and your ingredients so you can just pop. So you need your potatoes, your Ninja Foodi, your flaked sea salt, and olive oil. Pay no attention to the measuring cup and the fork in the background. Oh, you also need a puppy. All right, we're going to have to scrub the potatoes first. The potatoes. I got my little scrub brush. I love that thing. Oh, get my finger in there to make sure it stays put. And just scrub-a-dub-dub, rinse the thing as needed. And then we're going to do this for each of the potatoes that are going to go into the Ninja. Let's also dry those gorgeous potatoes with a nice clean towel. And here they are, dried and ready for the foodie. All right, we put the foodie basket into the pot, and then we oil up every one of those potatoes. Just a little on each, and then place them in the basket. It puts the lotion in the basket. Just kidding. Okay, so now sea salt, however much you want on there. And then it's about time to start that sucker. So you turn the power button on. You say, what do you want to do? Air crisp. How high do I want the temperature? 400. And how long do I want it to go? 45 minutes. Start. Now you'll notice something cool. I didn't pierce the potatoes, nor did I wrap them in anything. I just put them in there with the oil and the salt, and I didn't even flip them over. Let's see how they came out. Oh my gosh, that looks like just like what you would get at a steakhouse. Are they soft enough? They're perfect. Well, that does it for this thing I appreciate, the humble potato. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and remember, I appreciate you.